Welcome to the Channing condo out at Preservation Lakes. Coming in the front door, right off this area, we have a flex room. Lots of windows. We have a built-in bookcase here. Continuing down the hall here, we have laundry room that's right off the living area. Wide open living space with cathedral ceilings. Kitchen with granite countertops, all the appliances here, and a quarter pantry. Continuing through the dining space, we enter into the 12 by 12 Michigan room with slider out to the deck. Family room area here. Right off your living space is the owner's suite bedroom. Attached bathroom has dual vanities and a large walk-in closet. Back out into your living space. Entry from the garage with powder room. And let's take a walk downstairs. This home is move-in ready again out in Preservation Lakes in Byron Center. So downstairs we have lots of storage space along with a nice rec room area. There is an additional bedroom down here. And full bathroom. Come and get one of the last remaining lots out in Preservation Lakes.